These are the elevators at the Midtown Drive parking garage, Midtown, Tampa, Florida. They're Schindlers. I believe these are 3300 XLs. There's our certificate. Here are fixtures. Here's a list of rules and regulations. The one that stands out to me is no photography or videography for commercial use, but video is acceptable for non-commercial and non-disruptive purposes. We're gonna send this one up and ride the other one. As you can see, we're back here on level 1. We're right next to the Whole Foods market. Floor 2 is served by another elevator that I actually just filmed. We're gonna go to 3. 4,500-pound capacity. Here's your cab view. Pretty basic cab, same as the other one. There's your inspection certificate. Again, here's a look at those rules. There it goes. And that'll be it.